3 solid way for financial planning and wealth management. Greetings from our channel once more. Today, we'll discuss financial planning and wealth management, 2 significant issues that have a significant impact on your financial destiny. 3 reliable methods to efficiently prepare for your financial objectives and manage your wealth are shared in this video. So let's get started. Setting specific financial goals is the first reliable strategy for asset management and financial planning. Having a blueprint for your financial path is essential. Start by establishing SMART, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, short-, mid-, and long-term financial goals. Goals include setting aside money for an emergency fund, paying off debt, purchasing a home, investing for the future, or setting aside money for your children's education can fall under this category. You'll have a clear direction and drive to save, invest, and make responsible financial decisions if you create clear financial goals. Keep in mind that if your objectives and financial condition change, you should periodically examine and adjust your goals. Let's now discuss the second proven strategy for asset management and financial planning, creating and adhering to a budget. A budget is an effective tool that can help you get control over your money and make sure you're saving and spending your money sensibly. To gain a clear picture of where your money is coming from and going, start by recording your income and expenses. Then, make a budget that is in line with your financial priorities and goals. Budget money for debt repayment, debt savings, investments, and necessities, and watch your discretionary spending. Investment diversification is the third proven method for asset management and financial planning. Building and maintaining wealth can be done in large part through investing, but in order to properly manage risk, it's critical to diversify your holdings. Spread your investments across many asset classes, such as equities, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles that match your risk appetite and financial objectives to avoid placing all your eggs in one basket. The potential for long-term profits can be increased and the effects of market volatility can be reduced with the aid of diversification. There you have it, 3 reliable methods for wealth management and financial planning. Keep in mind that financial planning is a continual process that calls for self-control, dedication, and wise choice-making.